Top 8 foods to strengthen your brain and nervous system naturally. What if some of the foods you're eating every single day are quietly weakening your brain, while others have the power to sharpen your memory, protect your nerves, and keep your mind strong as you age? Most people focus on physical health. But your brain and nervous system control everything: your thoughts, your memory, your movement, even how you feel on a daily basis. And here's the scary part. The wrong diet can slowly damage your brain without you even realizing it. But today, I'm going to show you 8 powerful foods that can do the exact opposite. As we get older, protecting your brain isn't just about avoiding disease. It's about staying sharp, thinking clearly, and keeping your nervous system strong so you can stay independent and in control of your life. The good news is the right foods can make a real difference. Certain nutrients directly support your brain cells, protect your nerves, and improve how your brain communicates with your body. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 8 of the most powerful foods you can start eating today to support your brain and nervous system naturally. And you'll want to stay until the end, because the #1 food plays a role in your brain that nothing else on this list can fully replace. Let's start with one that many people already eat, but don't realize how it actually helps their brain. 8. Avocados. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats that help improve blood flow to the brain. And better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reaching your brain cells, which can support focus and mental clarity over time. They also contain potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, another key factor in protecting long-term brain health. While avocados don't directly build brain cells or repair nerves like some of the foods later on this list, they create the foundation your brain needs to function properly. Now, while avocados help deliver nutrients to your brain, the next food works in a completely different way, by influencing your brain through your gut. 7. Kefir. Kefir is a fermented dairy drink loaded with beneficial probiotics that support your gut microbiome. And what most people don't realize is that your gut and brain are constantly communicating through what's known as the gut-brain axis. When your gut is healthy, it can positively affect your mood, reduce anxiety, and even support cognitive function. Drinking kefir regularly helps strengthen this connection, creating a more balanced and supportive environment for your brain and nervous system. But while gut health is important, the next food focuses more directly on repairing and supporting your nervous system itself. 6. Bone broth. Bone broth is rich in amino acids like glycine and proline, which play a role in supporting the nervous system, improving sleep quality, and helping your body repair itself. It also contains collagen and important minerals that support overall tissue health. While it may not give you an immediate mental boost, bone broth works behind the scenes to support long-term brain and nerve function. Now we're starting to move into foods that play a more direct role in brain health. And this next one is one of the best plant-based options available. 5. Walnuts. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and polyphenols that help protect the brain from inflammation and oxidative stress. They've even been associated with improved cognitive function and better brain performance over time. However, the type of omega-3 found in walnuts isn't as powerful as the kind found in fish, which is why they don't rank higher on this list. But they're still a great addition to your daily routine. Now, protection is important, but what about actively defending your brain against aging and damage? 4. Blueberries. Blueberries are packed with powerful antioxidants that help fight oxidative stress, one of the biggest contributors to brain aging and cognitive decline. These compounds help improve communication between brain cells and have been shown to support memory and overall brain function. Adding blueberries to your diet regularly is one of the easiest ways to give your brain daily protection. Now we're getting into the foods that your brain and nervous system truly depend on, and this next one plays a critical role in keeping your nerves healthy. 3. Grass-fed beef. Grass-fed beef is one of the best sources of vitamin B12, a nutrient that is essential for maintaining the protective coating around your nerves, known as the myelin sheath. Without enough B12, your nerves can become damaged, leading to symptoms like brain fog, memory issues, and even tingling or numbness. It's also rich in iron and zinc, which support oxygen delivery to the brain and proper brain signaling. Before we get into the top 2 foods on this list, if you're finding this video helpful so far and want more content like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a video. Your support helps us bring you more valuable health information every week. And speaking of smart health choices, let me take just a moment to share something I've personally found helpful. especially if you're looking for a natural way to support your energy and overall wellness. If you're feeling drained, sluggish, or just not at your best, your body might be missing the essential nutrients it needs to thrive. That's where Moringa Magic comes in. Moringa is known as the miracle tree for a reason. It's packed with over 90 essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help fuel your body from the inside out. This powerful superfood has been used for centuries to boost energy, enhance digestion, support immunity, and promote radiant skin and hair. What makes Moringa Magic different? It's made from pure, carefully sourced moringa, ensuring maximum potency in every dose. Unlike synthetic supplements, this is a natural solution your body actually recognizes and absorbs. Imagine waking up energized, feeling more balanced, and giving your body the nourishment it needs without relying on artificial stimulants. Thousands of people are already experiencing the benefits of Moringa Magic. Don't miss out on transforming your health. Click the link in the description now and take the first step toward a healthier, more vibrant you. Now, this is where things start to get really interesting, because the next food doesn't just support your brain, it helps your brain communicate. 2. Eggs. Eggs are one of the richest sources of choline, a nutrient your body uses to produce acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that plays a key role in memory, learning, and overall brain communication. Without enough choline, your brain struggles to send signals efficiently, which can affect everything from focus to coordination. Eggs also provide important B vitamins that support nerve function and brain health. And honestly, this was a close call. Because while eggs help your brain communicate, the number one food actually helps build your brain itself. 1. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, like salmon, sardines, and mackerel, are loaded with DHA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that makes up a large portion of your brain. DHA is essential for maintaining the structure of brain cells, supporting communication between neurons, and protecting your brain from inflammation. Without enough of it, your brain simply cannot function at its best. Including fatty fish in your diet regularly is one of the most powerful things you can do to support your brain and nervous system. When it comes to protecting your brain, it's not about doing something complicated. It's about consistently giving your body the nutrients it needs to function at its best. Even adding just a few of these foods into your routine can make a noticeable difference over time. So, which of these brain-boosting foods are you most excited to add to your routine? Are you already eating some of these regularly, or was there one that surprised you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your experience might help someone else improve their brain health too. And if this video opened your eyes or made you think about your brain health in a new way, consider sharing it with a friend or family member, because something this important is too valuable to keep to yourself. And if you think supporting your brain is only about eating the right foods, there's something even more surprising happening deep inside your body that most people completely overlook. There's a tiny seed that works from within to fight aging at the cellular level, and what it does to your body might surprise you. In the next video, I break down exactly how it works and why so many people are starting to add it to their daily routine. Click here to check it out now.